Hello students, in this today we discuss again chemical properties of metal. In this topic we discuss when the metal react with water. When metal react with water, then it form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. But the reactivity of all metals with water is not same. It differs from very reactive to less reactive. Very reactive metal react with cold water and form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. For example, potassium react with water, potassium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas plus heat. Since potassium is very reactive metal, therefore it reacts with the cold water. Some less reactive metal react with steam. When metal react with the steam, then the product is metal oxide and hydrogen gas. For example, when magnesium react with steam, then product is magnesium oxide plus hydrogen gas. In the same way, aluminium react with steam, then the product is aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas. Another example, iron react with steam, then the product is Fe3O4. Fe3O4 iron 2 or iron 3 oxide. Iron 2, iron 3 oxide. It is also known as tertiary oxide. Iron 3 Fe3O4 also known as tertiary oxide. Some metals even do not react with water even in hot condition. For example, copper, silver, gold. They never react with water, neither in the cold condition, neither in case of steam, because they are very less reactive metal. Now, how metal displace hydrogen ion from water? Actually, hydrogen partially ionizes in H plus ion, or we know that H plus ion also known as hydronium ion, and OH minus ion, which is also known as hydroxy ion. Na lose their one electron, it means so metals lose their electron and they give their electron to hydrogen ion of water molecules, and then they form this hydrogen ion, again react with the H plus ion and form H. This is the nascent hydrogen. Again this hydrogen react with the another hydrogen and form H2, it means hydrogen gas. And the OH which is present in water, this is again combined together and form water plus H half O2. Now another chemical properties. In this reaction of metal with the dilute acid, metal react with the dilute acid and form metal salt and hydrogen gas. For example, sodium react with dilute hydrochloric acid, then sodium salt plus hydrogen gas is formed. In the another example, magnesium react with hydrochloric acid, then magnesium chloride, which is a salt, plus hydrogen gas is produced. Slightly less reactive metal also react with the dilute hydrochloric acid, but very slowly. For example, aluminium react with dilute hydrochloric acid and form aluminium chloride plus hydrogen gas. This is the aluminium chloride and hydrogen gas. Zinc also react with hydrochloric acid. Zinc react with hydrochloric acid and form zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. But copper do not react with dilute hydrochloric acid, because this is the very less reactive element, very less reactive metals, and they do not react with hydrochloric acid. Metal also react with dilute sulfuric acid and to give the metal sulfate and hydrogen gas. For example, when sodium react with dilute sulfuric acid, then sodium sulfate plus hydrogen gas is formed. Then the sodium sulfate and hydrogen gas is formed. But metal not react with nitric acid, dilute nitric acid. Do you know why? Because when a metal react with nitric acid, then hydrogen gas is not evolved. Because nitric acid is a good oxidizing agent, and when the hydrogen form during the reaction immediately oxidizes and hydrogen is converted into water. Therefore, we can't obtain hydrogen gas when the metal react with dilute nitric acid. But very dilute nitric acid react with magnesium and manganese metal to evolve hydrogen gas. For example, very dilute nitric acid react with magnesium and manganese metals to evolve hydrogen gas. For example, magnesium react with 2HNO3. This is the nitric acid and very dilute nitric acid, very dilute. Then the product is MgNO3 whole twice plus hydrogen gas. MgNO3 known as magnesium nitrate. Magnesium nitrate. Another example, manganese plus 2HNO3. Again, this is very dilute nitric acid. Then product is manganese nitrate plus hydrogen gas. This is manganese nitrate plus hydrogen gas. All of you know that less reactive metals not react with any acid, but it react with aquaresia. Aquaresia is a freshly prepared mixture of 3 parts of concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 part of concentrated nitric acid. We can also write this like this: HCl, HNO3, this is the concentrated form, and again this is concentrated form, 3:1. This is aquaresia. In aquaresia, all metals dissolve. Even gold and platinum metal also dissolve in aquaresia. Aquaresia basically used for the purification purpose of less reactive metals. In the next class, we again discuss some more chemical properties of metals. Thank you.